Take a ride in the 2011 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, warranty, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Come take a test drive today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.